Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's video I'm going to be doing an unbagging of the very popular Lululemon belt bag. And I'm also going to be showing you guys what fits in it and talk to you guys a little bit about it. So if you guys are interested in seeing the newest Lululemon bag and what fits in it, then just keep watching. So I have been on the hunt for a belt bag for a couple of years now. I really wanted a luxury one, like, you know, the Louis Vuitton bum bag or like the Gucci one, but I wasn't really willing to pay the price for it because I wasn't sure if I was going to get, you know, enough use out of it. So I just kind of held off. I did purchase a really cheap one from Victoria's Secret Pink a couple years ago, and I had wore it on a couple trips and I really enjoyed that one. But y'all know Lululemon has been hyped for a minute, and honestly I was just like, I kind of want to jump on the train. So back in February is when I purchased my very first one. That is this one. This is the just plain black one. They do have a black one that has white writing around it that says Lululemon. They did have a black one that had the huge Lululemon symbol on it, but I just got this one. This particular one is the 1 liter, and this one retails for $38. Y'all, when I say I am obsessed with this bag, I have been obsessed with it since February. So much so I bought one in the beginning of May, and then I just bought one at the end of May that just got here the other day. And I also just my mom one, but I actually bought her the 2 liter bag. So hers is a bit bigger than this. But yeah, this is the one I purchased, and I mainly was wearing it crossbody like this, but lately I have been actually wearing it on my actual waist like this. And this bag is honestly a lifesaver. It has been my go-to bag, and I want every color in it. Like, I'm so obsessed with this bag. It's very simplistic. It's an easy go bag. It's very inexpensive. Also, it is like nylon, kind of like this outside material is kind of nylon, so you can kind of like wipe it off if it gets dirty or anything. This is the black one. It has the silver Lululemon symbol here. It also has the little tag there, the zipper pull. It has a zipper in the back, and obviously the straps are adjustable, so I love that for this bag. Now I am going to show you what is in them, but I do want to share with you guys 2 others that I got, because I actually have a poll on my page. If you have not seen it, go to my page and check it out. I have a poll because I am going to be doing a giveaway within the next couple of weeks. You know, summer is approaching. To be a Lululemon bag on top of, you know, some other beauty products. But this particular one, these 2 are the ones that I have polled. So I have this one. This one is called Lipstick, and I wasn't sure if I was going to love this one because online it looked a little bit more red, and I do like red, but I was looking for a pink bag because they did have a really bright hot pink bag that I really wanted, but it kept going out of stock and I haven't seen it since. But this one is called Lipstick. So I have been wearing this one, and again, it has silver, the same little symbol right here. Everything is the exact same. This is also the 1 liter. I have been basically just buying the 1 liter ones. These are the ones that come in like multiple colors, 2 liters, and the ones a little bit bigger, they only have like 4 or 5 different colors. So I just went ahead and went for these because the size is actually pretty practical for me, and I can fit a nice amount of things in here. So yeah, I love this bag. And again, this one is Lipstick, so I have this one up on my poll, and I also have this brand new one which I wanted to unbag for you, but my child decided to unbag it herself, and it looks like this. And this one is the, I don't know what this one is called, but it's a multicolor one, and this one is so pretty. So it has like silver straps, but the color is beautiful. It's like all the little colors of the rainbow in this bag, and I just thought this was so pretty for summer. Obviously this is brand new, so the little sticker is still on, but obviously, you know, same little silver tab. And then in here it says Lululemon in all gray. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Same exact zipper pocket in the back. So this is actually my newest one, and I'm so excited for this one because this one I can wear with so many different things. And the lining on the inside of this one is gray, so I'll show you this. But yeah, and actually the lining on the inside of the pink one is pink. So yeah, honestly y'all, I love these bags. These two are the ones that I particularly love the most. I picked these. So you guys tell me which one in the comments, or comment on that post which one you love the most that you would like to see in the giveaway. So I love that. So since I am using my black one, this is the one I have been using lately. I'm going to show you what fits in here. So the first thing I'm always carrying with me is my Louis Vuitton card case. It just looks like this. And in here, I don't have that many cards in here right now. I think I have like 9 cards in here right now. So I always have my ID, firearm card, credit cards, a lot of everyday credit cards in here, a debit card, insurance. Yeah, so that's basically it. I have a bunch of store cards in here too, so I just pop this, you know, right here in the middle. Little mirror that I keep in a lot of my smaller purses. This is from Eau de Juice, so I will slide this actually in this front little pocket. I have a couple pieces of gum. Sometimes it's a small pack, sometimes it's individual pieces. I always carry panty liners and little wipes. These are the Honest wipes. I put those right there in that little front slip. I also usually carry a couple eyeglass wipes with me because I'm usually wearing my glasses. All right, another thing I have in here is my little Sephora card case, and in this particular case I keep a bunch of like gift cards and like store merchant cards. So I have like a Dunkin' Donuts I gotta put on my app. I have some Sephora cards, I have Ulta, some of my kids cards are in here, like Taco Bell gift cards. So it's a bunch of like little gift cards in here, so I always carry this with me. I have a Bath and Body Works coupon in here, so I put that in there. I also am always keeping some sort of hand cream. This particular one is the Body Shop. This is just the strawberry hand cream, so I will put that in here. A hand sanitizer now, so I'll take this and just pop this in here. Always have a lip gloss. This is the Bath and Body Works Pineapple, so I put that in here. I also keep some tissues in here. I do have a coin purse, but I don't know where my actual coin purse is right now, so I will keep my coins in the back of here. Also, I will put any receipts that I get back here. Normally my husband's key ring, but this can also fit in here too. Normally if I'm wearing, you know, lipstick or something like that, I will put whatever lipstick I'm wearing. So today I'm just wearing this elf lip liner and then the Makeup by Mario soft nude, so I am using that, so I will put that in here. Then I'll usually take my scent of the day, so I just grabbed this one because I don't really have on any scent today. This is the Bath and Body Works Fall in Bloom, which is a good dupe for Burberry Her, so I will put that in there like that. So yeah, it is pretty full, but I can zip it up with no problem. And again, this particular bag I will wear like on my waist, or I can wear it crossbody like this, and there is no problem. Right now it is just a little bit heavy because it has the keys in here, but if it didn't have those heavy keys in his wallet, then it would be fine. But it is perfect. Like, this bag is so freaking perfect. Absolutely love this bag. To me, this is the like easiest on the go bag when you are just running to the store for errands, or if you run into the mall, or you know, if I'm running somewhere to the park or anything like that with my kids. This is just an easy go bag, and I love this for me. So yeah guys, that is it. So again, don't forget to take the poll to let me know which one of these bags you want to see in a upcoming giveaway, because I love them both. So y'all have to hurry up because I need to, you know, hurry up and purchase them before they go out of stock. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.